Everyone tells you, be yourself. But the moment you are, the world punishes you for it. You're too quiet, too intense, too different. That's the paradox of authenticity. It's celebrated in theory, but attacked in practice. Authenticity isn't just being real. It's being honest about who you are, even when it's inconvenient. It's choosing truth over popularity, alignment over approval. And that's what makes it dangerous, because people don't fear the fake. They fear the honest. In America, identity has become performance. Dress a certain way, talk a certain way, fit the algorithm, fit the brand. But when everything's curated, authenticity becomes the most radical thing you can do. Not everyone will like the real you. But that's the point. You weren't born to be a crowd pleaser. Being authentic won't make you popular. It'll make you lonely at first, but it'll also make you free. No more pretending, no more shrinking, no more apologizing for being real. And the ones who stay, they'll love the real you, not the version you created to survive. So the question isn't, will they accept me? The real question is, will I accept myself? Subscribe if you're tired of pretending. This channel isn't for perfect people, it's for the real ones.